All right, guys. So today I want to walk you through how to do a soft reset or a factory reset on a Samsung TV when you do not have the remote control. So this is a newer Samsung TV. Has like the new look and feel and design to the UI. And I'll show you first how to do a soft reset or to restart the TV. Behind the TV, I have the plug here for the TV and the button right here. So I'm going to do my best to show you this. But what we need to do is unplug the TV and then hit the power button on the TV and then plug the TV back on or back in. And what's going to happen is the TV should soft reset. So I'll try to walk you through this here. All right, so here we go. We'll unplug the TV. Like so. We'll find the button underneath the TV. I'm going to press the button and hold, and then I will plug the TV in, and we'll get that logo, meaning the TV has soft reset, just like that. So the next option is to have actually your Samsung SmartThings app set up. It's very easy to set up Samsung SmartThings. Go to the App Store or Play Store based on the phone you have, download it. The only requirement is that your TV is on the right Wi-Fi. And with that downloaded, you should be able to access a remote control that could then control the menu that you need to get to the factory reset. Unfortunately, the buttons on the TV don't allow you to access the menu that you need to get to factory reset these things. So hopefully the soft reset helped. If this video was at all helpful for you, if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.